morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is pretty early here. It's about 6:30 and I got up maybe like 10 minutes ago or so and just kind of got myself awake so I didn't look like too groggy to you guys. I'm gonna be doing a little internship couple of days in my life just so you guys can kind of see what my life is like here on days that I do have to go to work. If you're new to my channel, my name is Adrienne and I am living in Hawaii this summer. I'm doing an internship here and it's only from 9 to 1 every day, so I still do have a lot of the day to myself, but because of my job I have kind of conformed to a specific schedule here. So I really like getting up early and just kind of getting into the swing of things. One of my favorite parts about waking up so early is how quiet everything is. There's like nobody out. Okay, so I just realized that I forgot to check my mail over the past couple days, so I ran downstairs and I checked it, and you guys, I got a package. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, this thing is so freaking heavy. I am so excited. I haven't even opened this thing yet. Look at all this stuff, and it makes me so happy that this stuff is actually pretty dang healthy. So for the longest time, I have wanted to order one of these snack boxes. It's basically a box you can order online, and they have like tons of different selections if you want to get maybe like the healthy version of a snack box or just the regular version that has like candy and stuff. They have tons of choices, and for people like depending on if you're in college, if you're sending it to someone who's sick or something like that. And they were nice enough to actually not only send me a box, but they're going to be giving away 2 boxes to my subscribers as well as a coupon code. And if you want to be entered into this like giveaway just to win a free box, all you have to do is leave a comment on this video and I will choose the winner in 2 weeks. So you have 2 weeks to enter. You guys, there's like literally so much in here. Graham crackers, sunflower seeds. It has like pistachios and trail mix, and then all of these fruit nut bars. Oh, they have like a ton of the pop chips. These are my favorite kind of chips. Okay, I had no idea that they came with Kind bars, the dark chocolate ones. And I feel like this healthy box is a really good way to stay on track. Having healthy snacks like this at arm's reach is really important because that way you're not tempted to go to vending machines and buy really unhealthy stuff. I'm looking on their website right now and they literally have a 45 count package for $25. And when you do the math, you're getting way more like snacks for a cheaper price than buying the boxes individually, if that makes sense. And oh my gosh, I did not even see this until now, but for every box they sell, they donate $1 of the proceeds to feed my starving children. That's absolutely amazing, and now I can really not feel that bad about eating all this. I usually bring this Cadell bag that I hauled over the spring, and why I bring a bag kind of bigger to work is because I feel like I always have just like a lot of stuff to bring. So obviously I have my cardigan in here, and then in Hawaii it rains randomly. It'll be completely sunny and it'll just start sprinkling, so it's always good to carry an umbrella on hand. And then I got my wallet, my headphones, and I'm gonna pick out what snack I want to bring today. This is so fun. I love this thing. Look at these peanuts. You know, I think I'm just gonna bring one of these Kind bars. This looks really good. Alright, so I am about to head out to my internship. Before I go, I want to give you guys a quick little outfit of the day. I've had some questions about like what I've been wearing and that kind of stuff. So usually I'll just wear like a pair of black pants and a nice shirt or a dress. I have to walk about, I don't know, 35 minutes, and sometimes it's windy, so I feel like black pants are a little more practical, but I definitely do wear dresses too. And as you guys can tell, these are spaghetti straps, and I just bring a cardigan and I put it on top as soon as I get there, but I'm not walking with that cardigan on in this hot weather. So this is what I'm wearing. As far as shoes, I think I'm just gonna wear a pair of nude flats today. Yay, I'm off work, so now I'm gonna walk home. You guys, I'm in actual heaven right now. Look what I just made. It's just pretty much a bowl of rice and some shoyu, some steamed veggies, and it's pretty freaking nice. Alright, so it is about 7 o'clock here, and the sun here actually sets surprisingly early. I think it's just because of how close I am to the equator, but I am about to go on just a little run. It's super nice out, especially at this time of day, so that should be a lot of fun. I might go get a drink with my brother later, so I'm not completely sure about my plans for later, but that's what I'm gonna go do. I just want to update you guys. It guys, Friday this week absolutely flew by. I can't believe it's already the weekend again. I love when weeks fly by, but at the same time, I really want my time in Hawaii to slow down, even though I still have over a month here. But I'm about to go to work. I just want to show you guys quickly what I was going to wear because I told you guys I was going to start showing you more. So I'm actually wearing the same thing I wore on my first day. I think I've already shown you guys this shirt, but it's just a really cute pink canvasy shirt with some little cacti on the bottom and then some black pants and some pink loafers. So we just got back, and Jiwon's gonna tell us what we got because I don't know the names of any of this stuff.
This one right here is chicken katsu. That's some mac salad with rice. And
oh my gosh.
This is the loco moco. It has eggs, brown rice, mac salad with gravy on top. Yeah. This is like one of like the locals' favorites. And this one is the wonton min. This is the noodles, and that's with the broth.
Okay.
Yeah, and those are like
dumplings.
Like, yeah, like little dumplings.
Enjoyed this and kind of got a little more insight on what my life is like here as an intern. If you have any specific questions, feel free to shoot me a DM on Instagram. I literally answer every single DM I get, and I know some of you guys have questions about just like certain things going on here, so I'm happy to help. And also, if you're not already, be sure to go follow me on Instagram. I have been posting on there like crazy lately. It's just became a really fun platform, and I'm sharing a lot more on it than I usually do. So definitely go check me out on there. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're watching this on the weekend, have a great weekend. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!